Hi everyone, welcome to Max Rees Life Skills Corner. This video is to share with you how to properly clean your TV. To clean your TV, you need clean water and 2 microfiber cloths. One to be lightly dampened and the other, a dry one, to wipe off the moisture to avoid scratches. So I'm going to drop this in the clean water and make it lightly dampened by squeezing it to get rid of some of the water. And then I start by cleaning the screen in up and down motion, making sure that every space of the screen is covered. When done, we use the dry cloth to wipe off the moisture. Good. The next stage is to clean the back. So you dip the cloth in the water again. You get rid of some of the water. And then you start cleaning the back. And then the edges. And then the stand. Good. Before you start, you need to switch off the TV, and then you are advised to clean your TV once a week. And a word of advice, never use soap or any cleanser with chemical or alcohol to clean your TV, as it can remove the anti-reflective coating, which helps reduce reflection from the TV. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your time.